Okay, so this is the question. Tomorrow I'm going to do giveaway. I'm going to choose a lucky video and I'm going to choose lucky people who leave a comment. So make sure you leave comments to every video so you can win free money. I'm doing this every couple of weeks wherever I have time, and I'm going to do many giveaways in the next few days. Now, let's check the market. The market is going down in the last couple of days. It's been low as 53, 54,000. So what are you doing? That's the biggest thing. So I think this video will be short, but will be nice and straight to the point because you need to understand few things. Now, before I'm telling you what I'm doing, before you tell me in the comments what you've been doing, there are a few things you need to understand. This feeling right now, if you feel like defeated, let me see if I'm recording. Yes, if you feel like defeated, if you feel like, oh my God, it's so bad, I'm out, I'm selling everything. Listen, remember this shitty feeling. Why? Because when the market is up, when everything is skyrocketing, and then you feel sorry, you never buy so low. So remember this feeling, and then you will feel sorry also that remember this feeling that when everything is up, you need to sell because you don't want to have this feeling. So in the last bull market, I didn't sell anything actually, because I was waiting for the market to go forever. But this market, even in the last couple of months, I've been taking profits pretty much, not all the time, but on and off, I've been taking some profits. When I see 2, 3, 4, 5x, I'm going to sell 10, 20%. Everybody has different strategy. Yes, I can always sell more, but I've been always selling a little bit. And in this scenario now, for the last 1 or 2 weeks, I'm so happy I sold. Even I wish I sold more, but hey, it is what it is. And what I've been doing and what you've been doing, there are a few things you can do. There are 3 things. You can buy, okay, not financial advice, do whatever you want. Remember, this video is only for education purposes only. Okay, so you can buy, you can DCA, so that's what I've been doing. I spent all my money a couple of days ago, so I've been selling something from my notes, something from my yield farming. What I'm doing still with yield farming, I'm doing passive income when the market's up and down, and video coming in the next 3 days for the farming I started like 10 days ago with a few $1,000. You will see how it's performing. Okay, so I'm trying to buy as much as I can, and today spend all the last money. I have $100 for the giveaway for tomorrow. Okay, I spent everything. I've been selling something what's still up so I can DCA into different tokens, and I got some layer 0 for farming purposes, and I got some PayPay just in case, by the way, to be honest, and I got some Hopi. Okay, I love meme tokens because meme tokens, they can go down a lot, but they can go up a lot. So there are 3 things you can do. You can buy, you can sell, or you can just stay away on the side. So if you cannot catch and hold this market, you cannot get this feeling with the market up and down, because the market is very turbulent. Maybe stay back, turn off everything, get out and stay out for a couple of days. Turn off the computer. If you sell, make sure you're selling something what's in profit, and make sure, use the money very smart. Because selling now, everything is slow on losses. Yeah, I took some losses, but I reallocate that money in different position where I'm thinking that this token is going to do much better. So make sure when you're selling, be careful what you're selling. According to me, my personal opinion, it's time to buy. It's time to DCA, because this market is going to be 66 in no time. Till you see, oh my God, what's happened is 60,000. Then, oh my God, what's happened will be 65,000. Okay, with Ethereum, with Solana, by the way, it's just crazy. I think the market is so much upside because everybody are so bearish right now, and that's good. All right, so that's about it. So that's, according to me, it's time to buy. It's not time to panic, because everybody panicking, what means it's time to get in. Start DCA, do whatever you want, your money, your problems, not financial advice. Tell me in the comment what you've been doing. You buying, you selling, or you staying away, or you're just out of crypto. Please let me know in the comment section, and maybe I'll do giveaway for this video, maybe. All right, love you all. See you in the next one. Goodbye.